If you don't like to wait and you don't want to invest hours of your time to earn some money online, then this is the excellent video for you. Today I will share with you a brand new website you've never seen before that is also worldwide accessible, and that will pay you big time for doing little to no work once you actually set this up. And with all of that announced, dudes, let's get right into this tutorial. As you can see, I am now over at google.com, and this is the very first website I will need you to come over to. What you will wanna do on Google now is simply put, find free courses. They can be related to pretty much anything really. The only thing I'd suggest is that the niche in which your course is in is somewhat popular. At least it'll allow you to make more money in the end, and you will see why in a moment. But essentially, as I announced, you wanna find some free courses in a certain category. I myself typed in free business courses. If some of you want courses related to online marketing, you can just type in online marketing free courses, and so on. You get the point. What you wanna do now when you type that in is open up some of these pages and see which site you feel is the best and certainly offers free courses. Make sure to check that since it's quite important. And by the way, skip the ads if you see them at the top of the page. They are not free whatsoever. In my case here, I opened up this website here, which you guys can use yourselves literally if you so wish. It's called Coursera.org. What I found on here is that they do offer free courses, so I did double check to make sure it's legit. And as you can see, this course here is available for free, so this platform does certainly offer free courses, which makes it perfect to use in our case. What I want you dudes now to do is to head over to docs.google.com and open up a blank document by clicking right here. And what you will want to write in that blank document is something along the lines of congratulations. You can snatch your free class here, and you will then leave the link of the website you selected to go for. In my case, as you can see, since the site I am using is about business, I typed in free business class and I left the link of the platform. Once again, if some of you went for online marketing courses or whatever, you will write that in instead. Do keep in mind that you dudes can write more details about the course itself. You can add in more info in here if you so wish, as you'll soon see that could potentially make you additional money, but it's not mandatory to do so, hence why I didn't do it myself. The next step from here is to download this document to your PC. To do so, first click on File here, then hover your mouse over Download and select what file format you want. You can select either PDF document or Docs. I myself went with the Docs format almost as an example. And now that you have done all of that, now that you have downloaded that file over to your PC, guys, it's time for me to show you a website we will be using today that will not only pay you, but that will make everything far less confusing. I know many of you are confused as to why we did what we did, but in a couple of minutes you will see why. Anyways, the website in question is called Dlupload.com, and when you come onto this site, you'll be able to instantly see what it's about. Share files and earn money. The way this works is as follows. You upload a file on this website. They will then give you the link that will take people to the said file and allow them to download it. And whenever someone clicks on your link, you will earn money. The intention they will pay you for people practically clicking on a link to your file is because this site makes money off of ad revenue. So when someone clicks on your link, they will see a bunch of ads first before being able to download the file, and the ad revenue is afterwards split between yourself and the website. And this is in essence how this all works, and how you will make money from this platform. And as far as these types of websites go, sites that will pay you whenever someone downloads a file of yours, I think this one is really one of the best. It has a strong security, unlimited speed, and offers 250 gigabytes of storage, which is crazy to say the least. Apart from that, they also pay more than many similar sites, and this platform does work internationally, as I will demonstrate you now. If you click on payout rates here, you'll be able to see how much money you'll be making per 1000 downloads of your file. And you will also see that this is worldwide available. As you can see on this next page, you will receive $7 if 1000 people from the likes of US, UK, Canada, Australia and a few other countries download your file. You'll earn $6 if people from Germany, Netherlands, Norway, Spain, Sweden and many others download your file, and so on. So you can see that this is indeed worldwide available, as all of these countries are accepted, and you can also see that they do pay quite decently. Now yes, $7 per 1000 downloads isn't really a lot, but it is more than other sites, and more honorably I will demonstrate you how to easily get thousands of clicks on your link. Before we continue, it's worth noting that on this very page you can also see the sheer amount of payment options this platform has to offer. You've got PayPal, Payoneer, Swah, Paytm, WebMoney, UPI, and Bitcoin, so they also pay via crypto, which many of you will understand. Anyways, now that you guys know what this site is, and all of the awesome features it offers, let me show you what you wanna do now. You first wanna click on register right up here to create a brand new account. You'll then enter in a bunch of information about yourself to sign up, such as your email address, country of residence, and so on. When you log in, this is how everything will now look like. You will now be able to upload files and get their links to make money online. And as many of you imagined a while back, we will wanna indeed upload that file we downloaded from Google Docs a while back, where we are promoting free courses. To do so, just click on the plus icon here, and then open up the file from your PC. When you do that, you will now be eligible to snatch its link, and this file here many people would want to download because it gives them access to free online courses. This makes it that much easier to get people to click on your link and download the file. And so the only thing you now need, guys, to make this work is a reliable traffic source to get clicks on your link so you can make money online. And a great website I would suggest for that purpose is called Answers.com. This is a community-based site where people come to get answers to their questions, which are related to just about anything, from science to math to health and fitness. You can find an answer on here about anything basically. And so what you will first need to do when you come on here is type in question regarding your niche in the search bar here. In case you went with online marketing, you would want to type in how to do online marketing, and so on. The point is here that you wanna find people who asked a question respecting your niche, because those people would be surely interested in free courses that would teach them that specific thing. And this is what makes Answers so powerful. In my case, I would wanna search for questions about online business, and when I do, I would wanna answer all of these, where I would type in stuff like these online courses supported me a lot, and so on. You will wanna leave answers similar to that, and you would wanna leave as many of them as you can, and you'd be able to make money in passive income from there. And what's so important for us here is that this website is being visited by nearly 8 million people on a monthly basis. This means that you have a potential to make a lot of money on this website promoting the file of yours from a while back by answering questions respecting your niche. More importantly though, you'll be able to promote it only for a couple of days, and you can make passive income from there practically. This is possible because your answer on here will stay forever, and since there are people all the time who need answers to questions, this means that your answer would potentially be seen months afterwards. So this is an extremely nice way to make money passively. And with that announced, if you is the lover of similar content like this, take a look at my distinct videos, and if you love it, please break the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification horn. Catch sight of you in the successive video.